Hey honey watchers, welcome back to another video. It's Phoebe if you're new. I meant to film like a full-on vlog today, but it's just gonna end up being like the food I ate and the food I made. Our main sort of celebratory meal was, not this, I don't know, was lunch, and we took it up to my grandparents' place and that was a real hit. And also the other bit of food was a bit of catering I did for an originally viewer slash met up with in person, because the person, Lily, I hope I can say your name, that's fine, wanted to buy some cookbooks and postcards. Anyway, I was doing a spot of Father's Day catering and it was a cake and some befores, and I'm told they were delicious, so yay. I really enjoyed making the cake. I'm slowly progressing on my skills in that department, and it was a flavour I hadn't made before. I know, risk, but it was chocolate peanut butter and I think it, yeah, I'm told it was delicious, so phew. I'm still yet to get like a professional spatula so I can like get it smooth and chic looking. I also don't technically have two tins that are exactly the same size, so I did pretty well in the end. It looked like a Golden Gaytime icy pole ice cream, which is like an Australian, I'll put a pic up, yeah, which just gave me another idea. That would be really delish. I hope you're doing well when this video comes out. Lots of love, yeah, bye.
It hasn't advanced been overseas because their daughter lives in how's that?
You know what that cake's like? No, I... 1, 2, 3, 4.
Suis-moi, là où je sais où, suis-moi. Et si je suis pas, suis-moi, là où il niche les bouts. Suis-moi, on y est ou presque, suis-moi, là où rien ne presse, suis-moi, et v'là que nous y voilà. Ta-da-di-dou-dou.